Can you see the screen? So let's start. In the previous class, we have seen the nomenclature of only alcohol. So now I'm going to give you some nomenclature of phenol. So please give the IUPAC name of the following. So see, what is its name? Its name is basically benzene, and since it is, we will give first number to alcohol, one all, which can be easily written as benzenol. And initially, its common name was phenol. Now phenol is treated as also IUPAC name of benzenol. Now see what is the name of this, since which is the functional group. So we are going to give preference to this, and you can see the name will be 2-methyl phenol. Can you name this third one? Sneha, Alia, can you name these 4 compounds? Yes or no? Please do respond. Can you name these 4 compounds? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. This is the first, second, third, and then fourth. Yeah, then Abhi. So see what its name. It's correct, Alia. The name will be 3-bromo phenol. But when you are going to name it, you can see 2H group is there. So here it is 1, 2, 3. And since it is connected to benzene, so we are going to write it benzene 1,3 diol. If you are going to name it 1, 2, then its name will be benzene 1,2 diol. If you are going to name it 1, 2, 3, 4, its name will be benzene 1,4 diol. Is that clear to both of you? No, it's IUPAC name, not common name. Its name will be not meta, para. It's all comes in common name. Is that clear, Alia? Please do respond. Fawaz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can I move to the next part? Sneha and Alia. Okay, please write it and let me know when you are done with this. What happens, Fawaz?
Sir, I took screenshot of it.
Okay, very good. Everyone done with this?
Yes.
Very good. Nafisa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we just started the nomenclature of phenol as we had completed nomenclature of alcohol in the previous class. So just take a screenshot and we will move to the next part, that is nomenclature of ether. Then we will go for a structure and preparation of alcohol. Everyone
Yes,
done
sir.
with this? Okay, thank you. So the next is nomenclature of ether. Nomenclature of, it's very easy, nomenclature of ether. So first of all, I am going to write the IUPAC name, general IUPAC name of ether. That will be basically alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy alkane. That means basically whatever is the, you saw that this is ROR dash. So basically the alkyl group which has lesser number of carbon will be will end with oxy, and the alkyl group which has greater number of carbon will be treated as ane, alkane. So just suppose that we have CH3 OCH3. That means we are going to treat one of this alkyl group as yes, was. You were there in the last class. So what I was saying is that you just need to decide which one is parent and which one is substituent. So you can see both the alkyl group have same carbon, so we can treat anyone as parent and anyone as branch. So I just took it as branch. So meth because it has only one carbon, oxy because whenever in ether, basically in ether substituent its name will be end with oxy. So it will be methoxy. And what is the number of carbon in parent chain? One carbon, so methane. If we have a compound like this, CH3O, CH2, CH3, so you can see you can see one carbon, and here it is two carbon. So this will be treated as substituent because it has lesser number of carbon. So what will be the name? 1, 2, 1 methoxy. We can write either 1 methoxy or directly methoxy because it comes on first number of carbon. 1 methoxy ethane. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So please write it. Then I'm going to give you some questions on this, and then we will move to the next part, which is very easy. Done, everyone? Nafisa,
Yes,
Fawaz?
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See, I'm going to give some questions regarding this, and please attempt it as soon as possible. So the first question is basically C2H5O, C2H5. You just need to write the name of the compound. That means basically IUPAC name I am asking. CH3O, CH3, sorry, CH2, CH2, CH3. Then we have C6H5O, CH3. Then we have C6H5O, CH2, CH3. Then we have C6H5O, and then CH2 whole twice, whole 6 CH3. So please write the name of it, IUPAC name of this, and let me know. I am waiting. Let me know when you are done with this.
Sir, first one is methoxybutane.
Ethoxybutane. Did you tell me ethoxybutane?
Methoxypropane.
First one is how many carbon present on left side of oxygen?
2.
And how many carbon present on the right hand side of oxygen?
2.
So we can take any one of them as substituent and as parent chain because both have same number of carbon. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if I'm going to take it as substituent, its name will be eth, and since it is substituent, so the name will be ethoxy. Now come to the parent chain. How many carbon present there? 2 carbon eth and singly bonded. That means
Yes, sir.
ethoxyethane. So I think what you did is you took as one as substituent, and when you are going to name the parent chain, you
Yes,
just
sir.
sum the substituent and parent chain, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it.
Number
Next one.
number 2 is methoxypropane.
Very good, very good.
Sir, what's number 3? It's 6, so it's like hexane.
No, not hexane. Always remember what is this? C6H6. What it is? Do you know?
Cyclohexane.
No, C6H6. Benzene it is. Nafisa C6H6. The chemical formula of benzene is C6H6 benzene. So
Sir,
when
but it doesn't. Okay. Yeah.
yes,
Because it
whatever
doesn't have the inside thing. So
inside things, that means
like cyclohexane, it does not have the circle inside and the lines, and benzene has. So
yeah. But one thing you have to remember is that the cyclohexane has a formula C6H12.
yes, sir.
Okay. And one of the most important point is that this formula will have same basically hexene, or you can say hex 1 in, hex 2 in, hex 3 in, hex 4 in, whatever I am saying is the formula, same formula. Hexene will have same formula as C6H12, and hexane, cyclohexane will have the same formula. Wait a minute, please.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So you have studied it in class 10th and 11th. We have alkane, alkene, and alkyne. So the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, right? Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon plus 2. Are you getting my point? Fawaz, Nafisa, Sneha,
Yes, sir.
Alia, and alkane is CnH2n. Whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double of number of carbon. And alkyne has CnH2n minus 2. That means whatever is the number of carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon minus 2. So if I'm going to write C6H12, the first thing in our mind comes that it is an alkene. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because hydrogen is double of carbon, that means it is alkene. But always remember, if there will be a question like if you have given this and told you to or asked you to write a saturated hydrocarbon. So I think everyone knows about saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Nafisa, do you know about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon?
Yes, yes, sir.
So basically unsaturated, that means double or triple bond, and saturated, that means single bond. So these cyclic structures are the one which has the same chemical formula as alkene. Like cyclopropane has a formula C3H6, and this cyclopropane, basically C3H6, this C3H6 is also the formula of propene. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you were asking about this C6H5. So basically the formula will be written as this is benzene. This is benzene and it is connected with CH3. Now, what is the IUPAC? I told you, whatever, wherever is the number of carbon lesser will be treated as substituent. So here you can see only one carbon. So meth and its substituent. So it will be methoxy and this is benzene. So I'm going to write it methoxybenzene. So the IUPAC name of this compound will be this. Is that clear? Can I change the slide?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So please do the rest. Please let me know when you are done with.
Second is ethoxybenzene.
That's good. It's ethoxybenzene. So is it ethoxybenzene, Nafisa?
It's two, right, sir?
It's good.
Nafisa, am I audible?
Yes, sir. A bit laggy, but yes, audible.
Am I lagging?
Not anymore. It's okay.
Okay. So the answer was correct. Ethoxybenzene. Fawaz, there is no answer from you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt in this? Why you are not answering? Neither you nor Alia and Sneha.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
This is
can I
6.
send you my question paper like later in personal WhatsApp?
Yeah, you can. No.
Okay. I'm
Oh,
confused in most of the questions. So
okay. No, it's not. There should be no confusion. I'm going to explain. Just let me know which question you have doubt. In which question you have doubt.
okay. Sir, which one is your number?
Wait a minute. You are added in the group. Okay, I'll send it to you.
Okay, sir.
Wait a minute. See, I'm going to explain the last one, which is very easy. See, the last question is very easy. C6H6, C6H5, C6H5O, CH2 whole 6, CH3. So I'm just going to expand it. I'm going to write the complete structure formula of this, and it will be C6H5 and then O. It is CH2 whole 6. That means the CH2 will be 6 times. CH2, 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 and then again CH2, and then again CH2. So 2, 4, 6, and then CH2. Now tell me, which on which side the carbon will be treated, the chain will be treated as parent chain, right or left? Fawaz, which is the parent chain? This one, right one, or the left one?
Right one.
Right one, because it has more number of carbons, so this will be treated as branch. Okay, Now see, this is benzene. So this will be, it will have a name that is benzoxy. So it will be benzoxy. And then how many carbon in the parent chain? 7. So benzoxy heptane. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So its name will be basically benzoxy heptane. Can I move to the next part? Or we can write phenoxy. Wait a minute. Just remove this benzoxy. It is phenyl, so it will be phenoxy. Phenoxy is better. Phenoxy heptane. Fawaz, do you have any doubt in this? That how I'm writing the nomenclature?
No, sir.
Okay, so why are you not answering at all? And what about you, Sneha? Please let me know if you have any doubt, any one of you. Let me know when you are done with this. Yes, sir. So, Sneha, are you getting all of this? Are you understanding all the concept about this nomenclature of ether? Okay, thank you. I'm going to change the slide and moving to the next part. So it is CH3O, CH, CH3, and then here it is CH3 again. And the next is C6H5, and then O, and again there is CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, and here again it is CH. The third one is CH3O, CH2, CH2, and then again O, CH3. And the fourth one is, I'll give you fourth the next time. Please do it and answer me as soon as you got the answer. You get the answer.
Sir, first one is methoxyethene.
What you just said, the first one is
Methoxyethene, ENE.
uh, ethene. Are you telling me ethene?
Yeah, because there
Okay,
is
just answer my question. What does this eth means? There should be 2 carbon.
2. Yes, sir.
And what does this ene means? That means double bond.
Double bond. Yes.
Okay, the question is that is there any double bond and how many carbon in this?
No, there's
Okay, so
3.
one thing is that you have decided which one is parent and which one is substituent. So this is the substituent, and
Yes.
on the right hand side it should be the parent, and parent should be the lengthiest or longest chain of carbon. So I'm going to write the name and numbering 1, 2, 3. So how many number of carbon in parent chain?
3.
3 carbon.
So,
And
yes.
you can see the substituent at second carbon, because second carbon is connected with this O and O is connected with this. So I'm going to write its name as 2 methoxy and then propane. Is that clear, Fawaz, Nafisa, Alia, Sneha? Okay, thank you, Sneha. Nafisa?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, I got the name. Explain numbering. Is the second D1, second one 3-methyl deoxybenzene. I'll explain it just after this question. Okay. Mm. Alia, the numbering should be not from this in between carbon. We have to number it from here 1, 2, 3, or from here 1, 2, 3. Are you getting my point, Alia? Okay. Tell me the name of this. Sneha, what is the name of this compound? See, this will be the parent chain. Nafisa, this will be the parent chain. Yes or no? And this will be the
Yes.
substituent. This will be the substituent. So we have to number it 1, 2, 3. Parent chain should get the priority. And on the third carbon, you can see you have a substituent. It is the part of it is basically sub-substituent. This methyl is sub-substituent. So we are gonna write its name first, sub-substituent 3-methyl, and then come to the substituent. And its name will be, what is the substituent of 4 carbon? 4 carbon, that means but,
Butane.
and it is sub butoxy. This is also substituent now. Butoxy. And what is the parent chain? It is this C6H5, that means benzene. So this will be the name. Very good, Sneha, you did it right. Correct. Nafisa, are you getting? Have you understood it? Yes. Very good. Fawaz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please name this. It's very easy. Basically, we have 2 OO, that means what does this mean? We have 2 branches. You know what you are going to do? Number it. This will be the parent chain, because on the right hand side of the oxygen you can see only 1 carbon. On the left hand side of the oxygen, only 1 carbon. So what its name will be? 1, 2. 1 is connected with this CH3 and 2 for this. 1, 2 dimethoxy. What we are going to write? Methoxy, because it is substituent of ether. Dimethoxy, how many carbon? Number of carbon present at parent chain, 2 carbon. So dimethoxyethane it is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please write it. Let me know when everyone done with this. Then I'm going to give you some name of this nomenclature part is very easy, and you should work in it. You should work on it. If you will give some time to this nomenclature, it will give you a very good mark.
Done.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now see, I'm going to give you the next question related to this, which is also very easy. Nafisa, what it is? Benzene or cyclohexane? Please do this. And if you are unable to understand it, please let me know. Then I'll explain it. First of all, you have to see which one is parent chain and which one is parent chain and which one is substituent. Can you see it or can you recognize it? See, this is the substituent and this is the parent chain. And this parent chain has two substituent here and here. So I'm going to number it like this. So at the position of second, you can see ethoxycum. So the name will be 2-ethoxy. And then here 1,1 dimethyl, 1,1 dimethyl, and then cyclohexane, it is. Please write it. I think all of you should work on your nomenclature part. It's very easy. You just need to do some practice. Today I will send some questions to the group regarding nomenclature. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to give you a question on this. Give the IUPAC names of the following. Give the IUPAC names of the following compounds. The first one is CH3, CHCl, and then CH, and here it is CH3, then CH, CH3, CH2OH. The second question is CH3, CH, CH3, and then O, then CH2, and it's CH3. I'm going to slide it up slightly. The third is Nafisa, what it is, benzene or cyclohexane? Nafisa, am I audible?
Yes, sir. My internet switched off.
Okay. Fawaz,
Sir.
can you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, Sneha and Alia, please focus on the class and please do respond.
Sir, 2
Yes.
eutoxyethane for the second one.
2 but. Oh, wait a minute. Can you tell me again? 1, 2, 3. What you just said?
2-butoxyethane.
Do you know what does this but means?
Oh, right. No,
What it should be? Fawaz, how many carbon in the
propane.
substituent? Very good, Alia. How many carbon in the substituent, Nafisa?
2.
So, meth for 1 carbon, eth for 2 carbon, prop for 3 carbon, but for 4 carbon. So you can see it will be 2 ethoxy because it has 2 carbon, right? And whatever you said
Yes.
after that, it is correct. Propane. You said it right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Fawaz, please do
Sir,
the
so
rest.
how should we know which one is the parent chain and which one?
See, how many carbon on the left hand side?
3.
And how many carbon on the right hand? The chain which
2.
has lesser number of carbon is the substituent. The chain which has lesser number of
Oh,
carbon, lesser
okay.
number of
Okay.
carbon, that is
Yes, sir.
substituent, and a greater number of carbon, that is parent chain. Please do the rest one. Very good, Alia. Sneha, please do respond. One is very good. I think it is right. Alia, you should write 2, 3, not 3, 2. I'm not sure. You should have confident about your answer. Either you know it or either you don't know it. If you don't have any confidence, you will get negative marking at the end, because the
Sir,
options in the questions, if you will get option, it will be very tough to decide. Yes, Nafisa.
the one below number 2.
Yes, this one, the fourth one. Are you talking about
2.
this?
Yes, 2-ethoxynitrobenzene. What is
2
N?
ethoxy. Yeah. This NO2 is nitro. This NO2 is
Yes,
nitro group.
2.
That
Yes,
will be
sir.
always treated. Yes, yes. What you were saying? See, not
Two-ethoxynitrobenzene.
not 2 ethoxy. You have 2 substituent. First of all, you have to decide which one is substituent. So this will be the substituent, and this is the parent chain. Yes or no?
But
Yes, yes.
that
Just
one
listen to me.
has.
Yes, this is also substituent. I am just talking about this and this first. Then we will go on that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see. Okay. Just yeah, you know that. Wait a minute. This is the parent chain. This is substituent, and this is also substituent, right? You want to see this? Say this.
Yes.
Yes. Now you are going to number it. So when you are going to number it, either you can give numbering like this 1 or 2. Either you can give 1 or 2. Now tell me which one is correct, the below or the above. You said 2 ethoxy and 1 nitro cyclohexane. Yes, but it's
Yes.
wrong, because when you are going to give numbering, both are substituent, and if you are going to change the position, you have to go through its you have to go in the manner of alphabet. E comes before N. That's why we will give numbering to ethoxy rather
Okay.
than nitro. So the name will be 1 ethoxy, 2 nitro, and then what it is? Cyclohexane. Then what it is? Cyclohexane.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So
Yes,
Alia,
sir.
you also got the answer of the fourth, right? Okay, just do the first and third. I'm waiting. Please let me know when you are done with the first one and third one. Very good, Alia.
Sir,
Yes, Nafisa.
sir, 1,3-methoxy benzenol for the third one.
Third one. Is it ether?
What's OH, sir?
This is phenol, no? This is phenol.
Yes.
Ether comes when alongside A, there should be alkyl group. Alkyl group. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is ether. This is basically phenol. So the name will be, you are going to give preference to this functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the name will be 2,6 dimethyl phenol. 2,6 dimethyl phenol.
Phenol,
Please
yes.
do the first one. Fawaz, which questions? The third.
अरे हाँ गलत
Yeah. 2
वो अगर क्वेश्चन गलत
methoxyethane.
लिख दिया
Very
नहीं क्वेश्चन गलत लिख
okay. So, are you done with the first one? How is this? Can you please explain the fourth one again? Okay, I will explain it, Alia. Everyone done with the first one? Sorry. So I'm going to explain the fourth one first. So Alia, you can see here that this is cyclohexane, and with this OC2H5 is connected and NO2 is also connected. So first of all, this is substituent for this, and this is also substituent. Both are substituent. Now you are going to number it first 1 or 2, because E alphabetical order we will give the preference, E or N. E will get preference. So we have one ethoxy, because it is substituent of ether, and then 2 nitro, and then what is this is cyclohexane, so the name will be cyclohexane. Is that clear? Okay, please do the first one, please. Everyone. Nafisa, Fawaz, Sneha. Everyone done with the first one? I'm going to write the question again. CH3, CH. So here the question is CH3, CH, then Cl, and then CH, and here it is CH3. Again here it is CH, and then CH3, and then CH2H. This is the easiest question from all this four. Nafisa, are you done with this?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, so I should explain it. See, what is its name? It's very easy. So you can see that this is alcohol and this is substituent and this is substituent and this is substituent. Whenever you are going to name it, write the IUPAC name, just focus on the functional group. Focus on the functional group. So when functional group comes in the compound, we will give everything to that functional group. That means we are going to give preference to that functional group. Not, we will not see about the number of carbons and all and anything. Just we need to give preference to that functional group. So I'm going to write the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because functional group is here. That's why the carbon which is connected with this functional group will get the first position. Now we are going to name it. The naming we write is it is in alphabetical order. So the name will be 4-chloro and then 2,3 dimethyl it is, and then how many carbon in the parent chain? 5, so it will be pent, and singly bonded, that means pentane, and one all you can write or pentane all you can write. Okay,
Yes.
please write it. Let me know when you are done with this. And please do let me know everyone that everyone is comfortable in this IUPSC or not, or I should give you some more questions to practice.
Done.
Yeah, done everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to give you two more questions, then we will move to the next part. The question is basically CH2 double bond CH and then CH and then OH and then CH2 and then CH2 and then CH2. Please name it carefully. So Alia, you gave preference to this alkene other than basically you should give preference to OH alcohol. Nafisa, are you done with the first one? Nafisa, Fawaz, Fawaz, are you done with this?
Sir, I
Sneha,
am doing.
you are doing, you are still doing. Very
Yes, sir.
good. Because you are taking the time a lot. You should not take this much time for a very easy question. Isn't it easy? Sneha?
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay, tell me. Here alcohol is present and here double bond is present. You should give preference to the functional group which is alcohol. If you are going to number it from right to left, alcohol will get fourth position. But if you are going to number it from left to right, alcohol will get third position. That's why we are going to number it from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is there any branch? No branch. Then come on the parent chain. How many carbon in the parent chain? 6. So it will be hex. And you can see, is there any double bond? Yes. 1 in, and what is 3 all. On the third carbon, there is an alcohol. So the name will be hex 1 in 3 all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please name it. I think all should have you all should have to do a lot of practice on nomenclature. So tomorrow maybe I'm going to send a lot of question on nomenclature in groups. And first I'm gonna discuss it. Then we will study the next topic. Please do this also.
Sir, the number 2 is 3-bromo cyclohexanol. Hexanol.
1, 2, 3. So it's very good. 3-bromo cyclohexanol. Hexane 1 all you can write, or
Hexanol.
cyclohexanol.
Yes.
What about you? You are
Yes, sir.
not giving answer at
सर
all.
सेम आंसर आया था, मैं बस चेक कर रहा था कि अभी
अच्छा, सेम आंसर आया था तो you should बताना चाहिए था ना.
वो श्योर नहीं था.
Okay. चलिए, please do the third question. Wait a minute. I have tried, but sure it is wrong. You are sure that it is wrong. Okay, see, if you are going to see the compound, what you need to focus on whenever you are going to write the IUPAC name. It's very important to note where is the functional group and what is the functional group. You can see the functional group is here. So you just have to be very careful to choose after this. The numbering should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can also write the numbering as wait a minute. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to focus on that carbon chain which has greater number of carbon as well as substituent. Are you getting my point? You have two options. Either you can do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon you will get. Either you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, or either you can do the next like 1. Wait a minute, why I'm choosing it again and again. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So what do you think? What will be the answer? Whatever answer you got earlier, can you please send me? Ali, are you there? One, two, three, four, five carbon. Wait a minute. Let me see the question again. I'm going to write the question again. It is CH3 and then O4. This is the compound. This got complicated, but I will name it. And then, wait a minute. CH2 and then CH, and this is OH, and this is CH, and then this is CH2 OH, and then CH. So this is the compound you are going to name it. I'm going to name it as a basically. I will name it first. You name it, then I will explain it. Basically, there is substituent also. I will definitely name it. Nafisa, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain it. Please be focused here. So what I chose, this is the parent chain. So this will be the substituent. This is also substituent, and you can see this substituent has substituents chlorine, and this is also substituent which has substituent this, or you can say like this, which is also very easy. This is substituent and this is substituent. So first of all, I'm going to write the name of substituent, this 3, and then this is 1 dash and it has chloro, and this is substituent. Chlorine is substituent and methyl is substituent for this, chloromethyl. And then this is at number 2. This is substituent and this is substituent. So 2 and then 1 dash methyl and then ethyl. And then come to the this substituent ends. Now come to the parent chain. How many carbon? 5 carbon. So pent and singly bonded, that means pentane, 1-ol or pentanol. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please write it.
Sir, parent chain have 6 carbons, right?
No, this has which you are talking about.
The third
This
one.
one.
Third one.
No, it has 6, not 6. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. No?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. So, Nafisa, the paper you have sent me, is that the recent exam you had given, right? On 11th of October. Nafisa, you are not audible. Is everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you name the last one? This. Please name it carefully. Nafisa, is there any answer for this? So see, this is the functional group. So we are going to give it preference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see two branches we have, that is 2,5 dimethyl. And what is the number of carbon in the parent chain? 6. So it will be hex, and all are singly bonded. So hexane. And you can see at first carbon OH is there, and at third carbon OH is present. So it will be 1,3 diol. Very good, Alia. Nafisa, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Fawaz?
Yes.
So again, I am asking, do you have any doubt in this nomenclature? Because no one is replying frequently about the question or answer. Fawaz, let me know. Do you have any doubt in this? What is the problem?
Sir, no problem, sir.
No problem. Then why you are not giving answer?
अरे आंसर देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ इजी है सर, जब सॉल्व
तो
करना होता है
आंसर
तब
देखने
समझ नहीं आता है।
नहीं, तो आंसर देखने के बाद लग रहा है दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट लर्निंग एनीथिंग। आंसर देख के तो लगता है कि हाँ ये मेरे को आता है, लेकिन द क्वेश्चन इज दैट यू शुड ट्राई इट एंड गेट योर आंसर वट एवर यू आर गेटिंग, either it is wrong or right. First you are going to get a wrong answer, then after practicing you will get your right answer, correct answer, and with that answer you will be confident about your answer. If you will not do practice, or if you are not going to do it on your own, it will be very difficult in the exam to score a good marks. This is for everyone. Nafisa and Alia and Sneha. So I'm going to give you some question from NCRT exercise. I think everyone has this book, NCRT exercise. And by tomorrow, no, I need this question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3 solution. Just take a pic, or if you are able to make a PDF, please send it to the group because I want to check it. Nafisa, Fawaz, Sneha.
Sir, what page? Question 1, 2, 3.
Exercise NCRT. Are you talking about the page?
Yes, yes, sir.
So the page, basically, in my book, the page number is, what is the page number? Good question. It's, I think, 30. Page number 30 it is. No, not 30. Just remember this. This is the chapter, alcohols, phenols, ethers. Alcohols, phenols, ethers.
Okay, sir.
And the page number is 352 according to my book. And if you are not getting anything on page number 352, just remember the exercise question 1, 2, 3 of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Is that clear, Fawad,
Okay.
Sneha? Okay,
Yes, sir.
you should send it before your class, 1 hour or 2 hour before. So that's why I'm asking you to send to me or in the group at noon. Okay, till at noon. So this is it.